Here are my top 3 ways on how you can get paid as a UGC creator. The number one, the most important one, is to network. The best place to network is Twitter. The people that you want to buy your product are on Twitter, but you just need to find them. You need to be part of the community. Don't just jump on their post.
Does anybody want UGC videos?
Because nobody's going to pay attention to you. You're shouting into a void. Instead, participate in the D2C Twitter community, get to know people, place yourself in the conversation, and then make it clear on your profile that you make user-generated videos. So then when people click on it, they can see from your pinned tweet, your portfolio, for example. They can see your rates on your website. Make it really easy for people to hire you. So once you've got your Twitter profile set up, you're actively tweeting on there. It might take a while. It's a slow burner, just like any social network, but give it time and it will work as long as you're posting the right stuff. The next place is websites like Upwork and Fiverr. These are freelancing websites. They work a little bit differently to each other. Upwork allows you to reply to job postings, whereas Fiverr, you put up your profile and then people can hire you. Both of them are fantastic places to find work because people are actively looking for your service. UGC is one of the most popular advertising content methods, and so people need you and they'll go to these websites to find you. And as always with this, make sure you have a great portfolio along with results in order to send to people when they ask for them. They might not be the most high-paying jobs, they might be really fast turnaround, but it'll be definitely worth it to build up your portfolio in the beginning when not much work is coming in. So instead of taking a lot of free work, you can take low-paying work from these freelancing websites. And the final method, and in my personal opinion, the best one, is to make content. If you're a UGC creator, you are selling yourself to brands that you can advertise their product well enough that they can get sales. What's the best way to prove that? To do it yourself. There are so many TikTok accounts that specialize in product videos, in showing people Amazon finds, TikTok finds that they've bought. They are making user-generated videos about them, but just not getting paid by the brand, instead getting paid through affiliate marketing or TikTok shop, for example. The possibility is one of those could go viral and blow up your profile, and then you can have this as a little side hustle. You can be creating videos, making money from affiliates, and even the TikTok shop. There's so many ways that you can utilize this profile. However, mostly this should be used as your portfolio. This is what I can do for your brand. And because it's your profile, you even have results like analytics, link clicks, all that stuff that a brand wants to see. Hopefully this video helped. If you are looking to become a UGC creator and you want to get paid for it, then get out there, separate yourself from the rest and make some great content. Always make sure that your portfolio is very strong and build as many case studies as you can. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you hit subscribe and like and leave a comment. Maybe help someone out in the comments that's in a similar situation to yourself at one point, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.